Imagine you have a class list with all your students' names in order. One day, a student transfers out and a new student joins the class. Instead of rewriting the entire list from scratch, you just update the existing list by removing one name and replacing it with another. That's exactly what Splice does in JavaScript. Splice is a built-in array method that lets you remove, replace, or even add items inside an array. Unlike Slice, Splice changes the original array directly. Think of it like editing the actual class attendance list, not creating a copy. Here's how it works. Inside the brackets, you usually provide two numbers. The first number tells JavaScript where to start. The second number tells it how many items to remove. For example, students.splice 2, 1. This means start at index 2, remove one item. Simple. But Splice can do more than just remove. You can also replace the removed item by adding a new value after the numbers. For example, students.splice 2, 1, Sarah. This removes one student at index 2 and replaces that name with Sarah. A really practical example is in an online shopping cart. Imagine a customer removes one item and replaces it with another product. Behind the scenes, the app may use something like Splice to update the cart array directly. So to summarize, Splice lets you edit the original array by removing, replacing, or adding items. Start position first, how many to remove second, then add new items if needed. Edit the list directly. That's the power of Splice.